metabolic balance.
Wood apple fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improving digestion and gut health.
Fiber helps regulate bowel movement and supports digestive comfort.
Antioxidants help strengthen immune defenses and reduce inflammation.
Wood apple supports stomach lining protection and digestive comfort.
Plant antioxidants support heart health and circulation.
Better circulation supports brain clarity and focus.
Minerals support bone strength and long-term skeletal health.
Nutrients help muscles function efficiently and reduce fatigue.